It feels like everyone is ahead, like you missed the train, like you're too late. But let me tell you something real. You're not behind. You're just building. Your journey is deeper. Your story is different. You're laying brick by brick, and solid foundations take time. You may not have the applause now, but when your structure stands, it won't shake, because it was built with patience, with purpose, with fire. So keep working, quietly, faithfully, when no one is watching, when no one claps, because slow growth is still growth. And one day, they'll ask how you got so far overnight. And you'll smile, because you'll know you didn't rush, you didn't follow, you built, and now you lead. If you want to be motivated every day, kindly subscribe to this channel.